What's up, people? I know for a fact every biker, every motorcyclist that, you know, you guys are going for long distances. I'm talking about not like 5-10 miles. Like when you're going like 50 miles away or more and there's no traffic, everything's moving smooth, and you're just holding your throttle like that without moving, it starts cramping and you start like, you know, have to relax it. I even seen people like take their left hand and reach over just to hold the throttle while they stretch out their hand. You know, it's kind of crazy. But lately on YouTube I've been seeing people buying throttle locks. The shit that you put on your throttle and you move it with your thumb to the brake, so that way it will actually hold it. It'll hold your throttle for you, so you stretch out your hand, you know, get all the nicks out and everything like that. So that seems like a great idea. But for me to buy it on Amazon, wait a couple of days, and order this crap, I don't really feel like doing it. But I have a 3D printer. So you know what that means? Let's 3D print that bitch. Off to the 3D printer, Batman. So right here I have my 3D printed throttle control. Well, you just slide it on, as I do right now. Move it to the end, right? Nice and snug. And just to be safe, I add a little rubber band just to put a little more pressure on that throttle. Makes it really snug. See, like let's say I have throttle, you put this down and it holds it. That's simple, pretty much pretty cool. And then if you need to like stop your throttle, pull it forward, and that's it. I can still use it regularly, no problem. Alright, let's get on the road and test this. Alright, so let's engage this throttle control. Slide this baby down. But you just gotta push your finger against it, get the speed that you like, let go. And no hands, bitches! That's it. It's engaged, driving at 60 miles an hour, no hands. Shit's sweet. So you can rest your hands whenever you feel like it. No need to stress yourself. You can get a nice little stretch on. You can hold it with this hand. It holds pretty steady. 58, 60. It's gonna probably go up right now. That's pretty sweet right there. So there you go. You can actually 3D print a throttle lock and it will work. It will do its job, you know. Like cruise control. You release your hands, you stretch it out a little bit, and whenever you feel like it, you just turn down your throttle and turn back up and you're good. Disengaged, back to downshift, and hear that baby roar, bitches. What's up, guys? If you guys have a motorcycle and a 3D printer laying around, or a friend with a 3D printer, print one of these bad boys right there. Your right hand will thank you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and throw some love and throw some comments below. Let me know if you guys have any thoughts on future videos about motorcycles 3D printer related. And keep safe, ride on. Peace.